What's up everybody, it's Peter, welcome to our channel, and today I'd like to show you what I just picked up. Really interested. Gateway G6-333. It's a full-size tower. I assume it's probably early 2000s or late 90s. It's a Pentium II. It has a CD drive, floppy drive, and zip drive. It's supposed to, it looks like, well, stickers from Windows 98, and like I already said, it's a gateway. One thing I like those vintage towers, they made back then such a thick metal, so durable, so strong, unbelievable. Let me take that cover off, and we can see what's inside. It doesn't look like it has a lot of mileage because there's not much dust, and according to owner, he didn't use it for last like 15 to 20 years. Wow, this feels quality. That cover, it's almost bulletproof, double metal with plastic. Unbelievable. Alone probably like 3-4 pounds itself. Yeah, let's see. I'm not computer geek. Can tell you what's a motherboard. It has a one stick of memory. Let's see how much it RAM has. Oh, it's a gateway. Well, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it's not a gateway symbol. And I don't see any marking. Probably not much, especially for Windows 98. I doubt it was something huge. Let me put it back. Also, it's quite interesting. Anya, come closer. The processor, it's on a processor board. It's not like a socket on a main board, on a motherboard itself. It has own board. Yeah, it looks really interesting because, like I said, the way it built back then, nice sturdy metal. This reinforcement plate, probably like 1.5 millimeters thick. Unbelievable. It has a sound blaster card, video card, and let's see. Yeah, internet and modem. And besides that, nothing else. Oh, this motherboard didn't have a video card at all. Wow, it have to be probably late 90s or mid 90s. Pentium II, yeah, Pentium II, I believe what 96 or so was ready. Okay, let's blow it dust. Well, now we can bring it inside, plug it, and let's power it, see what's the specs on this amazing vintage computer.